Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable call emergency services with hold and release and what it does on iPhone. So today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.4, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have or which version of the iOS you have, it is all going to work the same on every iPhone. So the hold and release setting means when you tap and hold the volume button and the side button, the volume and side, for enough time, and release, it is automatically going to call the emergency services. So to set that, you want to open settings, swipe down, go to emergency SOS, and right here, the first option is going to call with hold and release. So if you continuously hold the side button and either volume button, a countdown begins and an alarm sounds. After the countdown, if you release the buttons, iPhone will call emergency services. So if you turn on this feature, you are going to press and hold either the volume down or volume up button. The countdown is going to begin, the alarm sound is going to be played, and also after releasing, you are going to call the emergency services in your country. So now this feature is on, now it is off. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye.